Good afternoon, I'm Max. We are OTG on the go. We're from Hong Kong. And so now we are showing you that this is a DJI dog. This is the latest model, so you can control the drone wirelessly through the internet. And of course, today we have so many different products of the aero solutions. So for DJI Dog is using our online platform to operate and control the unit. So we can open or control the dog and the drone on the internet. Of course, we can see the status, battery, and the speed of the drone, and also the camera video also will be directly live streamed on the internet also. So you can check everything or the status, routing or mission plan in any time. Of course, not just only the DJI dog, and shown here that this is the latest model DJI Matrix M300 with gas detector, the Slipper 4D. So this one we can detect around 9 types of gas, so it's very popular for some environment detect or some fire departments. Of course, here we will have the Samy's H20N, so this is a Dell night vision and the thermal camera and the spotlight. So this is a perfect solution for the fire departments or for the search and rescue. Of course, not just only the brake drone, and then now we will have 3 types of the Mavic 3 Enterprise. So here we will have Mavic 3 Enterprise is for survey, Mavic 3 thermal, so that you can use for inspection, and the multi-spectra, so it's for farming or for the plant. So now that DJI products, so we have many for many solutions and for many purposes.